Stop wasting time with your computer. Today, I'm going to show you how to achieve spectacular results by cutting stickers directly on your Brother ScanNCut SDX 125. In this tutorial, we're going straight to the point. Whether you're using sublimation, vinyl blanks like this, or stickers someone else brought to your shop, you don't need to print from a PC. Why? Because we're using the built-in scanner and the registration marks already included on the cutting mat. First, we select Scan and then Direct Cut. We'll save the scan image directly to the machine's memory. A pro tip here, since I have black outlines, I'll set the recognition mode to black and white. The scanner on this machine has incredible resolution. Once the scan is done, use the touchscreen to crop the area and avoid detecting any noise or dust on the mat. Now, let's talk about the offset. You can adjust the distance to create a nice border around your designs, which not only looks professional but also gives your stickers better adhesion. Once you're happy with the preview, hit OK and select Cut. For these vinyl stickers, I'm using a pressure setting of 3 and enabling half cut mode. This is crucial so you don't cut through the backing paper. This machine is incredibly quiet, making it perfect for any workspace. Look at that, crisp, clean edges without touching a single key on a computer. Whether you're making transparent stickers or custom decals, the ScanNCut SDX 125 is a game changer for your workflow. Let's get sublimating and happy cutting.